In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use Google Font in webpage. Let's prepare the code editor by removing the previous code and save it as googlefont.html. Then load this web page. In order to load the Google font, we have to use the link tag. It is a self-closing tag. The first attribute is the rel attribute, which is actually the short form of relation. The value is a style sheet. It means the relation between this link and the HTML document is style sheet. In other words, this link is going to format the link document as a style sheet. Then we have to take the href attribute. The value of this href attribute is https://fonts.googleapis.com/CSS. Then there will be a question marks, then family, then with an equal symbol we write the name of the font we want to use. I'm going to use Sophia font. Now select the body element using name selector, then use the font family property, and the value is going to be Sophia. Let's set the font size 22 pixel. Now, whatever we will write in the body of the HTML document, it will use the Sophia font. Let's create an h1 element that says this is Sophia font. Then create a paragraph element with some text. Save the code and reload the web page. Here we can see the text in Sophia font. Let's change the font to Amira. We have to change it from here as well. Save and reload the web page. The text is using Amira font now. So this is how to use Google Font in web page. When we use Google Font, we do not need to worry about any fallback method. That means it is guaranteed that we are going to get the font we want as long as it is available in fonts.googleapis.com. Moreover, the cache memory makes the font loading process faster, which reduces the response time of a web page. And most importantly, Google Fonts are free to use. Alright, that's all for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson.